Ma! Ano ulam? Pep! Alam nyo, as a young dad, iba-iba talaga ang gising. Pero kahit anong araw pa yan, know that this is what I reach for every morning. I always reach for a quick workout in the morning, kahit 15 to 20 minutes lang. Because as a dad, you gotta stay sharp. Para sa sarili, and of course, for your family. After that, I always reach for a healthy breakfast, kahit mabilis lang. This Formula 1 shake has a lot of protein, perfect for post-workout at sa mga mornings na super hectic. After breakfast and preparation, I always reach for my daily tasks to check kung ano ang kailangan kong tapusin. O diba, maaga pa lang naka-mindset na ako kaagad. And because I already had my morning shake, I'm more energized. Now time for work. See, kahit gaano ka busy, you can still choose to start your day right.